Worldcraft. Yeah, I know, I just don't record. But you guys, I've heard that if you try to make the world same as Bendy, you will obey and turn into Bendy in the game. I just won't tell you if it's true or not yet, but I just want to tell that this unknown man told that he downloaded Worldcraft to inform me about this, to create the video, because he literally is a fan, but it was told that he doesn't exist, which I felt really weird. If you download Worldcraft, then he must be real, where he's definitely not. So whatever, I don't know how I got that message. Anyways, let's just go back to the I was going to make the video on the surface, but I forgot, and I haven't. I just went too eager, and I just Oh, missed out this iron. So I've done everything like Bendy, not even a single mistake. Now, yeah. Now, guys, I'm not going to show you my username just today. Right now, okay, so I'm just gonna show you my username, and he also strictly told to put this username. So my name was Bendy Plays. Oh, sorry, my name was Bendy Plays earlier. I changed it. Oh, sorry, I changed it to Bendy because he told that if you put the name to Bendy, and if you do all the stuff or all those things that Bendy build, then you will obey and turn into Bendy in the game. So if you could try joining in multiplayer servers, and yeah, usually Bendy joins a multiplayer server, but the first time he's playing on survival. Like there's a new update that you could put signs, and I wrote this sign, Bendy's home. Now that's what Bendy writes. Now his actual home is Ball, B-A-L, and I know it's just wrong spelling, but yeah. Also, don't mention Sweet Dreams from Sammy Lawrence and Wanna Leave. That's all. Like we should put it exactly like Bendy. And the final structure is coming tomorrow. But till then, let's just sleep and okay. Because whenever it's night, Bendy hurries to his bed, quickly goes to his bed and sleep, as if it is real life or something. But Bendy gets up really early. Like if you want to play with him on multiplayer server, he strictly kills 3 sheep and all the surrounding areas. Then he makes a house and all, and yeah, that's all. That is Bendy's daily routine. It's so boring, right? Like just wake up early morning. Like who would do this in real life? OMG. Anyways, it's Bendy. Let Bendy do his life. It's his life. Yeah, whatever. I didn't got seed. That's good. Okay. Actually, I should have got a seed. This time I didn't got anything. I guess the armor is distracting me. Hold up. The armor is giving me some weight, I guess. I guess the armor is giving me weight. Why am I walking so slow? Oh, that's so weird. Usually, if you don't have anything, you literally walk super sane. Okay, I think I have this much loot. Everything. So, I'm keeping away my pickaxe, my sword. I guess because our inventory is like full or something. I guess if I put all my armor in, then I guess the mate will reduce. Wow, I guess this is a new concept of Worldcraft. Like there's a new update, there's a freaking update, you guys. Like I kinda like the update. The signs in the game. Like how cool is that? Adding signs to Worldcraft. Wow. It is actually a nightmare filled game. Well, sometimes, not all the time. But actually the text is blending in the lines, I guess. Which doesn't look so visible for somebody. Why is everything so slow? Guys, I should better make more chests. You guys, I'm kinda cool when it comes to Worldcraft. But you guys, there's the cure to get unobeyed, which he told don't tell to anyone. I don't know why. But I guess I'm getting slower and slower. Why am I getting so slow? That's the reason. Wait, that makes sense, right? Because, well, sometimes Bendy chases people, but that's like a 1% chance that he could do that. Only a 1,000,000% chance that he could do that. Because usually just stay there for 10 seconds and he just goes in his daily routine and all. Yeah. But there is a chance that he could just super send behind you once you see the player. And this Bendy guy is it because of the what do you call that dude? Teddy guy. Because he sounds innocent but he is really rude. I could tell what happened. Well, it all happened in my dream. Am I connected to him? I don't know. But if I am, that sucks. Because Bend is a guy where you don't have to mess. Because even though he's annoying, you should better just not mess with him. Yeah. He says that he thinks that he is not real. Or is he real? Because I don't know if he's actually real or not. What? He doesn't turn into a double chest. Are you serious? Are you serious? Like, bruh. Like, seriously? That sucks. But you guys, the thing that actually makes it slow, I feel like just deleting this world. But if you deleted the world, then the seed will be lost forever. So better not do that. By the way, his name is Hank, which is sponsored by Gmod. Now Gmod is a game where you could play and all, and yeah, it's a sandbox game like Meme was. Memore is a ripoff of Gmod, and you guys should better download it. It's only on the computer. It's a very awesome game, and you could the main sponsor is about the Trevor Henderson mod. Now there are new Trevor Henderson mods coming up, like new Trevor Henderson creatures and all. Yeah, you should better check out the game itself. It's an awesome new game for you guys to play, and could be multiplayer server. I just don't know, you guys. There's some stuff that I don't know. So, anyways, download Gmod on your computer. I guess it's free because I don't know. I'm just sponsoring it because I don't play Gmod. But I'm just telling you guys to play Gmod. Just try playing Gmod. One click and you're going to space. Like in one click, you're going to go to space. Like literally. It's that inspiring. It also includes gravity. So if you guys want to find a gravity game or a sandbox game or with a game with better dupes, then here you have it. Gmod. I mean D-mode. Yeah, not to mention D-mode, because it's for free. Just download Gmod and D-mode for free. And let's go back to the video. So I need more items. I need to find diamonds, you guys. This is high time. I need a new pickaxe. Till then we're gonna work on a house. How Wadzi feel like? Hello guys, today we are going to make a cobblestone house. It's a very simple. Like literally guys, I feel like I'm now Wadzi or something. You guys don't know that wonderful man. Just check it out. Okay. But the thing, I don't know why I feel that heavy. Or is it that laggy? Oh, see? I'm so slow. Oh, okay. So, he makes a cobblestone house right here. He makes the cobblestone house somewhere here. And I told you it's the same seed, you guys. Hold up. Everything is fine. My character isn't changed. Hold up. My character isn't changed. What? You guys, things are already getting scary. It's like an ink effect, like as if you're walking on ink. Guys, that's so terrifying. OMG. Oh. I feel like I'm already transforming into the dude. Into Bendy my dude. Like, you get this ink effect. It feels so scary. Like as if I have already transformed into Bendy. Like I've already obeyed. I guess the reason because I told that I'm just going to become into Bendy, and Bendy told that yeah, you're too slow. You're going to do it. But Bendy doesn't talk properly. He just do chat and some random stuff. But I guess he's making me stronger due to the iron armor. He's sucking the power of the armor. That makes my character weak. If I'm right, okay. I only care about this now, mining diamonds. Did my iron pickaxe and we are good to go. Wait, why am I? Okay, I forgot, you guys. I have to create a house. But I need to also add my farmland, you guys. Oh, this is such a bummer. Why did I put all the stuff in my chest? Oh, wait. Yeah, I thought that I have to bring seeds. Why, bro? Why is this happening to me today? Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, by the way, let's just go take the farmer. I know it just because I need to plant something on it. And you're not planting anything. Oh, okay, I'm fast. Guys, that was so weird. Guys, I thought that. Oh my god. That's just so scary, you guys. And I'm back to being slow. What is happening to me, you guys? Is because I'm holding a crowbar? What? No? Or a pickaxe, obviously. Just call it iron pickaxe. My sister called it a crowbar. What in the world? Anyways, let's just go down. And I'm back to the normal speed. Wow. It's just so glitchy. What's so glitchy? And I'm back to the ink effect. Oh great. What's wrong with me today, guys? Not wrong with me. Just what in the world is happening to my character? Oh, that's so weird, guys. My character is so slow, like a snail. Not that slow, you guys. That's a long way back up the mine. What's up with the slowness, you guys? Oh. Okay, but mining session is done. Yeah, I'm out of here. My voice. Oh. What's that noise? Okay, it's something is not allowing me to turn back. Hello, guys. Guys, I have left the controller. What's happening? Oh, finally. Oh. Hello, I guess it's some sort of glitch or a bug. Sometimes happens. Oh, finally I could move my character again. Guys, I guess it's because of the head bump that is just making me just that slow of coming up the stairs. And that noises again. So means this house is a little slow. I mean small. But yeah. Wait, what? Why am I shoveling so slow? OMG. Papa Delta. Why is there sand under? I also saw the sand in the ground. Underground. Like what in the world? Where did that thing came from? So now this is the final house, and we can obey Mr. Bendy. So means now forever that world will be cursed, and you will talk like that every time you create the video. What? Why has the camel decided to come in? Oh, that's just so cursed. Guys, I added no effect. I don't know what that noise is. It sounds like a farting noise or something. It's not me, you guys. I'm not farting. Why is there a camel here? Why aren't there shields in the game? Like, this game is sometimes just so useless and redless. So it's just a small passage house. It's not that big. I guess this is where he captured all of the Streamtown players. That's why it's so small. But wait, he told that he has all of my kind of items. What? He now has full set of OMG. He told that he has full set of iron armor which I have. You guys, I'm telling you, I am not Bendy this entire time. Seriously, I am named Bendy. I named myself Bendy for the video, and the fart noises came again. I don't know who it is from. I feel like somebody is on mic or camera or whatever. And you guys, he told to keep the floor dirt. Okay guys, scary stuff has happened to me. Like, I was playing what we call it, Devils Amongst Us, and this dude told words, and that was my actual name, words. Now I just got so scared. I just left the game. Even though not Devils Amongst Us, you guys, suspects. Okay, that also it was voice chat, you guys. There's also voice chat in Devils Amongst Us. Voice chat in the sense in private, okay? So you just call your friend and say, hey bro, this is the code, and then they come and yeah. Guys, it's a rip-off. I don't have wood, you guys. Oh, I have wood. Don't worry, you guys. I have wood. I said I have my chest. Oh, my chest. I got it during the day. Okay. I'm rich in wood. If this doesn't work, then he must be a scam. Or he is actually an actual person, or the thing that he is told was opposite. Just tell me this is true, okay? If it's not, then why did I did this entire setup? Okay, nothing happened. I guess he's a what happened? Oh, I sound a little different. I feel like I'm just sick or something. Hello, I guess it's time to wrap the video. I feel kind of heavy in my mouth. I should better wrap up the video before anything like the actual Bendy shows up. I should better wrap the video up. Bye.